Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddie Show. I'm your host Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to import your YouTube channel directly into WordPress. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are with another WordPress tutorial. There are plenty of plugins that will bring in YouTube channels or feeds or videos into WordPress. However, this is a new one I came across recently. I'm not sure how long it's been around or out, but it is a really good plugin. It's a plugin that the developers keep updated, and they've actually also released other plugins too, which I actually use. You'll probably see more of those tutorial videos on this channel soon. But I used to use WORDPRESS and some other plugins years ago, and they were okay, but some of the customizations were kind of tricky and they weren't very good. And they also weren't kept updated, which is a big problem with WordPress. But this one is, so let's go into it right now. I'm gonna go into the plugin area and click on Add New. All right, we're gonna search for the plugin. Let's type in YouTube feed, let it find the application. All right, and here we go. So we have a few other results here, but the one you want to go to is this one right here, feeds for YouTube video channel and gallery plugin. The feeds for YouTube plugin allows you to display customizable YouTube feeds from any YouTube. Make sure the developer is by Smash Balloon YouTube team. That is who you want. They're really awesome. So it looks like the plugin was last updated here a week ago, which is good. It's compatible. It's also very good for a version of WordPress here. And 2,000 plus active installations. So not that many active installations. So maybe a fairly new plugin compared to some of their other plugins they have, but we do have 9 stars, 5 out of 5, so that's a good sign. So you'll click install right here, and of course I already have it installed on my website, so we'll show you how to customize it for your channel and your website. So after you install and activate the plugin, in the left-hand dashboard area of WordPress in the back end, you're going to look for feeds for YouTube. And this is the plugin here. So you have feeds for YouTube, customize, display, and support. I'm going to click on feeds for YouTube. And their plugins are always, I've seen so far from my experience, very streamlined and very easy to integrate into WordPress. So for the example today, we'll be using my NintendoReport.com website. This is a gaming website. And you can see here, we already have my YouTube account already connected, but of course you won't have it already connected, so I'll show you how to do that right now. Click this big blue button right here. It says log into YouTube and connect an account. You click on that and it takes you over to your Google account. So you'll select the proper Google account for your YouTube channel, of course. I have several accounts here, so I'll click on Nintendo Chit Chat and make sure we choose the right YouTube account. This one here. All right, all you have to do is select allow here. It says this will allow Smash Balloon, a video feed for WordPress plugin to view your YouTube account. Click allow, and boom, you should be connected. So now you have the feed for YouTube plugin integrated and connected to your YouTube account and ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna go over some of the settings here and customization features. As with Smash Balloon's other plugins, this is free to use, but if you want to go for the Pro version will allow you to do some other really cool things, and I'll show you that in a little while as well. So the feed type, here we have our channel ID. You can see you can do by playlist here, favorites, search. That is in the Pro version. And you can also do live streams as well, integrated directly onto your WordPress website. So if any of these things interest you here, do check out the Pro plan. You can actually click this here and it will go to giving you some more information to unlock that and purchase the Pro version. So here's an important setting, check for new posts. So I just have the default setup here. So when the page loads, it will check for new posts. You can also do this by every hour, minutes, or days if you want. and then toggle this number here. Any number you want to use, you can do that. You can also select in the background, so it will kind of check automatically on its own every so often. So here we have every 30 minutes, hour, 12 hours, or 24 hours. So we'll keep that on when the page loads for my settings here. And we'll click save. Okay, now I will show you how to actually get the YouTube feed to show in a post or page. So before we get into customizing the plugin a little bit more, we actually have to have the feed be displayed in the website on WordPress. So what we have to do is go down here, display your feed. This will be the shortcode we copy and paste into posts, pages, widgets, wherever you like, and that will help display your feed then with the plugin for your YouTube channel on WordPress. So we're going to click on New. I'm going to make a new post. Again, you can make a new page if you like, or add this into a sidebar widget, whatever you want to do. So we're going to title this post. We'll make it YouTube channel, just for the test. And we'll just Control V and paste it, or right click on the mouse and paste it. And there you go, YouTube feed. Now, if you want to add a featured image, just for the post itself, you can do that, but for this sake, we'll just make this very simple. We'll push publish, and without customizing anything, all we do is paste the shortcode directly into a post here, and let's see what it looks like. So this will be the default customized settings that it shows. So here we go. Here is the title we made for the post, YouTube channel. And what's cool is it integrates your YouTube avatar or icon. It puts a link right there. Then click on to go directly to your YouTube channel. Has your channel name right here as well, which is also clickable. It also imports the About Me section, your little paragraph or whatever you have on YouTube about your channel. And then it has your latest video here. This is the layout that I chose. So I already have it set up on my website, so I think this is a default layout that I have set up. Maybe a little bit different for you. But here we have my latest upload. This is for my gaming website here, or gaming channel. And here are the other uploads in order, going from left to right, all the way down through. They can push subscribe here, which is pretty nice. They can subscribe right away to the channel. And you can click load more, which if you have more videos on your channel, will also load those into your website. And scroll down, and you can do more of those again. Of course, it all depends upon how many videos you have uploaded. So as I can show, we got a bunch here. You probably can change that number too in the settings. That is not bad for just a few minutes in here, installing the plugin, putting in the shortcode into a post, and boom, it is done. So I'm going to go to edit post here and actually delete this because this is just a test post. So we'll move to trash. All right. And I do want to show you how I already have it set up on my website. I have a featured image set up, so it kind of makes it look a little bit better for the actual page. And here we go. So I have the title here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, this may be a little bit different for you depending upon what kind of theme you have on your WordPress website. But here's a featured image I put in there, so it kind of adds to the post or page. And then here is the plugin. Yeah, I think I actually chose this layout since I already had it installed. Even the new test page showed this layout here, so I'll show you how to change the grid layout here for yourselves. And there we go. Yeah, pretty awesome. I like it a lot. Again, I've used some YouTube plugins here for WordPress over the years, and this is the most simple one to integrate with no problems, and it looks really good and it's very useful. One of the cool things is this too. If they click on one of the videos down here, it will actually load at the top of the page here in the featured kind of spot, which is really cool.
Hello, Nintendo Chit Chat.
So that's me there. We can click on the Tower Tale episode over here, and it loads up here. So that's a really handy little feature. I like that a lot. That way you're not viewing these videos here very small and only one video is very big. So that's a really cool little feature for this plugin. Go back to the dashboard. Right back in the dashboard, you can go down to the sidebar, look for feeds for YouTube. And we're going to click on Customize. And I want to show you some of the options they actually have available for you here. Okay, so in general, you can change the width of the feed if you like. by percentage or by pixels. It's at 100% right now. Also the height and also the background color. I don't touch this really. I kind of like how it is already default. So play with it if you want to kind of customize it for your website. And what I have set is this. I have it on gallery. So that's what I had it on originally. That shows you kind of a featured video and then your grid layout below that. By default, it's set on grid. So it has 3 by 5 or so in the layout for that. It's also list, so kind of bigger videos for that. It's also a carousel, that's for the pro version though. You can also tweak the number of columns, so 1 through 7, and also mobile columns if you have a mobile website, which most of us already do. And a number of videos here, so you can actually adjust this. So if you want to show more videos when the page first loads, you can do that. I'm actually going to probably change this to 15, probably in intervals of 3 due to the fact that it's rows of 3 here. All right, so you can also have, you can show the play icon if you want to. There's other settings here as well, but they're all grayed out. This is for the pro version. So if you want more settings for yourself, be able to show titles, the usernames, the views, the dates, again, live stream countdown, stats, descriptions, that's all in the pro version. But for me, this is doing a great job, and this is all I really need at the moment. You can also update the spacing here between the videos by pixels or percentage. It's defaulted at 5. Then also the position of the video thumbnail next to the video thumbnail or below. That's the pro version settings. You have header settings to show header, channel description show, and show subscribers. That's for pro version there. And the load more button. That's check marked. You can change the button background color if you want to, the button text color, also the button text, which is a really neat little feature. And subscribe. Show that button yes. You can change the colors of this and the text as well. Then last but not least, we have a few more little things here. We have the player video size defaulted in this format 9 by 16. We also have 3 by 4. And when does a video play? We have it set automatically here. Default is to play automatically, desktop only, or play when clicked. The pro version here allows related videos to come up when it ends the video, custom links, and YouTube default. There's also some moderation features here in the pro version. And you can add some custom CSS snippets here and JavaScript as well. And the advanced settings are preserved, settings on plugins removed. If you click this, if you remove the plugin and then bring it back later on, your settings will still be here intact. And that pretty much wraps up all of the settings here for you. There's a pretty good number available for the free version, but if you want to do more with it, again, check out the pro version. I think one of the features for me to look into eventually would be to allow live streaming directly through YouTube and have it integrated in my WordPress site. I think it would be kind of a nice feature. So think about this here, click for more information. There's also a display tab here. This is again for your short codes. So the basic code is up here at the top. If you want to show multiple feeds, those codes are also here. You can also show a different channel if you want to, entering the ID into the short code. Then you can see this graph here shows the pro version, short codes, and also what's available for you in the regular version, the free version. They're all in gray. So overall, a really good, clean, easy to integrate plugin for YouTube on your WordPress website. And there you have it, a really easy to use plugin, easy to integrate your YouTube channel directly into your WordPress website. Let me know in the comments below if you do try this out. I've been trying other plugins over the years, but this really is the best one to date. So congrats to the Smash Balloon team for their hard work with this plugin. All right, guys, make sure you hit the like button for the episode and subscribe if you're new to the channel as well. I'm Tech Eddie for the Tech Eddie Show. We'll see you back here next time.